Another area that's really important for families to understand is how is the dirt and leaves and debris getting removed out of the pool. Our family's business has had in-floor, or some might call it pop-up technology, since 1968. We have, I believe, mastered the product to the point where we can explain to you not only the differences in what the industry offers, but why the newer technology is so beneficial to you and so energy efficient. We want you to understand your options as far as how much maintenance you have to put in weekly, or quite frankly, you have opportunity to remove as much of that maintenance as possible with the newer technology. So come in to one of our design centers or meet with us virtually so that you can empower yourself a little more about what in-floor technology does and how it could benefit your family.